Good morning. I have woken up. I'm going to be going to the store. I have a couple of things that I need to pick up, and I also did get some packages today. Oh, I'm getting ahead of myself. I'm making some changes to the bedroom today, so I'm really excited to get that done and really curious at what the quilt that I bought will look like in the room. So I'm gonna get my hat and then I'm gonna dash out of here because I'm on a time crunch. And we're running back upstairs because I got the deodorant on. All right, now I'm good. I can leave the house now. Down the stairs. So nice. Yeah. Hello. Okay, bye. Thank you. So I just got home, and so I went to Ikea and I went to TJ Maxx to try to find some bedding accessories, and I'm going to now try to see if I can work on that and get that stuff together. So, all right, let's head upstairs. In this box right here, I have my new quilt set that's gonna go on the bed. And I went to TJ Maxx and I got this. It's a decorative throw pillow. Thought it was really nice and I thought it would fit. It's like a light green. I am going to be putting this as like a decor piece on the bed. So I'm really excited about that. I got this other throw blanket that's also going to go on the bed. It's like a beige blanket. It's called the Sand Brood. So it's 51 by 67 inches. It's really cool, but that's going to also go on the bed. I got a pillow cover, 20 by 20 Kust Fly. So definitely excited to put this on the bed. And oh, and I also got a pillow. I heard that these pillows are like feather pillows. They're really soft, but I kind of wanted just decor pillows for the bed that I can just kind of like karate chop in the middle. So I got those. You see this cord hider? I actually got that from Amazon as well. I'm thinking of actually painting that green so it looks like it's blending into the wall. I was okay with it at first, with it just kind of being white, and then over time I was like, I don't like what that looks like, so I'm going to paint that green probably at some point today. I should really get started on cleaning up. I'm procrastinating. All right, let's get this started. All right, so I just finished shredding a whole trash bag filled with paper. Filled with paper. Paper. So putting on the clean sheets on the bed and finally putting the new quilt. So excited. All right, so I got the new quilt on the bed with the new pillows and everything. My husband helped me put this on the bed. So let me show you guys just really quick what's it looking like so far. Say hi, Kronk. Hi. He's upset because I haven't given him attention today, but he'll be all right. Here's what the bed looks like. I'm really liking this white against the black, or against the green. Loving it so far. Notice this needs to be just a little. I'm gonna go ahead and start vacuuming, so let's get that done. The bedroom, but the throw blankets are still in the wash, and the pillow covers for the accent pillows are still also in the wash. So I'm gonna have to come back tomorrow and show you guys what I have done so far. I'm getting a little tired, so I'm gonna take a break and you know, debrief, and then come back tomorrow with the rest of the video. And although it hurts, there's nothing I wouldn't do. This is what the bed looks like this morning after I just quickly made it up. Oh, I gotta fix that corner. Just quickly made it up for y'all. So we have an issue. The green blanket is a lot shorter than I expected it to be, which means I had to get an actual oversized blanket to drape over the bed how I have it like that, because I wanted it to kind of cover the edge of the bed and like drape over. So that's coming on Wednesday, I think. So I have to wait a few more days to actually have like the final reveal of what this bed will look like. Nonetheless, not a big deal. If you guys see like, ooh, that's messy, but you see those corners of those cubes, I want to add a door to it, and I'm thinking a glass door like you can get with the unit. So I'm thinking of getting that and elevating those cubes a little bit, and I have like knobs that I can use to actually elevate them, so I'm gonna be doing that. Hopefully those knobs actually or the screws for those knobs actually fit, and they're going to be the same knobs that I used in my closet. If not, I'm gonna look at Ikea and look at some other knobs that I can potentially use. But yeah, so, oh, we also have to replace the blinds. So this one already has one of the blinds. We tested it out to see if we liked it. So we have to take off the paper blinds off the other two. That might be happening very soon. We'll see. I might be making a trip to Ikea today. And yeah, but the entire room has been vacuumed, has been cleaned. Oh, remember when the cord organizer for the shelf was white? I painted it the wall color, and now it blends into the wall pretty well, and I really like it. It doesn't stand out as much, really helps it hide a lot better, and it really does give the TV and shelf a floating feel. I'm going to do something about the Apple TV device, and the wires unfortunately are going to have to stay like that, because the Apple TV is, we like to move it around sometimes, so we don't want to keep it in the cord cover, because sometimes we like to move it downstairs, or if we're going on vacation, we plan to like bring it with us to hook onto the hotel TV. Unfortunately, those wires are going to stay like that, but I have a trick that I want to do to hide the Apple TV as well as the cords. No, it's supposed to go on the other side. Good morning, everyone. So today's Thursday, and I did receive the black quilt, the oversized quilt, or oversized as Amazon would call it. I put it in the washer, and I'm gonna test it out on the bed. I did open it up last night when it came late, around like 8 p.m. and we're running with the same issue where it's not draping over the bed. So I'm just going to kind of think of a different way of styling it on the bed, and we're just gonna go from there, because I do not feel like trying to find another oversized throw blanket, spending more money on this, and but I do like the blanket. So it's not a bad blanket. It's just not draping over the bed, like kind of giving that dramatic feel of what I was looking for. So I'm just going to kind of deal with what I have right now. And later on, I will get the throw blanket that I actually want. The next time you see me, the black throw will be on the bed, and I'm gonna style it in a way that looks nice. But so far, like, I like what that's looking like. And let me go ahead and show you the side cubes slash tables that we have. My sister helped me put in the glass doors, and by helped, she opted to do it for me. Even though I wanted to help, she was like, no, I'm gonna do it, so I let her do it. I want to show you what that looks like. And we also changed out the knobs that comes with the door. It's like this silver, weird, ugly knob. Well, it's not ugly, but it's just not my style. And I changed it with the knobs that we are using on our drawers in our closet. Let me go ahead and show you guys that. Don't worry about that white space up there. I need to touch that up with green paint. It was from when we originally painted this wall, but look at the cube. It's so cute. These doors, they're like tempered glass, of course. I will put the link to this below in the description box. It was about $10, so it wasn't expensive at Ikea. It's part of the Ikea system that they have, and the cube is also the Ikea cube. So we bought the cubes first. I wanted to test them out, see if I still like them, because if I didn't, I was still well within that 180-day period that they allow you to return opened items. So if I ended up not liking them, I would have returned it. But we ended up really liking these cubes as nightstands. We like how it floats off the ground, and I can vacuum easily under it, and we don't have a lot of stuff that we like to put on our nightstand, so this was the perfect solution for us. I wanted to elevate it, which is why I added this glass door. I love it a lot. The knobs are from Amazon. I'll also put a link of those knobs in the description box. So I'll put a link to everything that in this video in the description box, so you guys can go find those items and add them to your homes. This is what the bed is looking like. I really feel like I should add one more pillow in the front. This is a king size bed, so it looks a little bit disproportional just having the two throws in the front. So I'm thinking of getting a third, but I love it. Kind of did like a little action over here. Let me try something else with it. I changed it up a little, have it hanging off the bed. I still think a third pillow needs to go there. I do have two sham pillows in the back, like sleeping pillows. One of them is like extremely flat. It was a really cheap Walmart pillow that I'm gonna move downstairs, and I'm gonna keep the other one. So there's only gonna be two back there instead of three. So I think it would make sense to have another decorative pillow in the front. So I might be getting that today. We'll see. I like it. Love how this bed is looking so far. I came home from the store and my husband got the third pillow up for me, and he did something with the throw blankets. It's nice. I love it.
Tell him he's all you see. Tell him you got his keys, cause you thought he needed them, but he's not coming back again. So he's gone, leaving then. You won't see him again. It was convenient, but you won't be staying friends. And you know that, sweetie, you know that. Think you knew it before, but you just ignored that. So now you won't take backs, but there's no refunds here. So you saw the hurt, it makes you see clear. But you were just lost, you were just lost. But now you found, and you realize he wasn't at all like what you created in your mind. He wasn't even nice, he wasted all your time. You didn't even like him in real life. He said he thought it would be nice if we went for a ride in his dad's Jaguar.